guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a product review about these things right here. And if you guys are interested to see what I think about the Bilena lip and cheek roller, keep on watching. Of course, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Alrighty, okay, let's do this. Okay, so ito lang guys, this is the second time I've shot this video kasi yung una nabura. Yung unang video nabura. So this is the second time. I hope you guys understand. I already have the products on my face and I have the subsequent swatches on my hand, but I will do like another round of swatching on another hand so you'll see if it really is that pigmented. Okay, so the ones that I'm talking about today is the Bilena lip and cheek roller. This is retailed at about 130 pesos, 125 kung saan nyo bibilhin. I think sa Watson's 125 to. Sa Mercury Drug, it's 130. Sa Super 8, it's 130. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo medyo mura ng 5 pesos, go for Watson's. No problem with that. Initially, they launched this in 3 colors. I remember it's Red to Go. I have it here. Wait lang. Red to Go, Uptown Red, and then Night Berry. Okay? So, Red to Go is fit for my skin tone, which is fair skin tone. It's a subtle reddish pink color, fit for fair skin tone. Hindi yan. Si Night Berry to eh. Si Uptown Red is an intense orange color, fit for medium skin tones, while Night Berry, the one I have right here, is a plum with a reddish hint, and it's fit more for deeper skin tone, which is, you know, a good thing, kasi nga may classifications na siya. They also released, I think, 5 more shades, pero hindi ko pa na-check out yung 5 shades kung ano yung bagay sa akin. I just got 2 right at the moment, wala po akong wisyo ngayon mag-English, pasensya na. And I only got 2 sa totoo lang kasi yung isa para sa lips, isa para sa cheeks. I know it's weird. This is something that I can use for both, but ako pinili ko lang talaga na isa para sa lips, isa para sa cheeks. Para, you know, there's a variety there. So, for the lips, I actually use Red to Go. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung swatch ha. Ito si Red to Go. I don't know kung nakikita siya sa camera, pero lalagyan ko na lang siya ulit. Ayan. Ito siya. So, it's very light. Pag natuyo siya, very, very light on my skin. Gusto ko siya for my lips. So, totoo lang. Hindi, maglalagay ulit ako. Kasi, hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. At alam ko, mali yung ginawa ko, pero okay lang. Wala naman na-transfer sa loob ng bibig ko. The consistency of the lip and cheek tint roller is liquidy, pero hindi siya yung liquidy na it will slide off your lips or it will just run down your cheek. It still holds like a substantial amount, okay, on your lips and cheeks. Go to Night Berry. Actually, hindi na ako magre-swatch kay Night Berry. O, tignan nyo naman yung color niya, diba? Sobrang intense. So, ito, nilalagay ko to sa cheeks ko kasi pag si Red to Go yung ginagamit ko for cheeks, hindi siya napapansin. Kasi parang ang itsura niya parang pak, ganun lang. Parang naganyan lang siya, na-pinch lang siya ng very, very light. Pero pag si Night Berry yung ginagamit ko sa cheeks ko, I can go on a party anytime, anywhere. Ganon. Talagang pakak yung kulay niya sa cheeks ko. Kahit na ang dami kong nilagay, tap-tap lang, nagmumukha siyang natural. So, if you guys are willing to experiment, like if you have medium skin tone, you can go with Red to Go, or if you want to a little bit more color, go for Night Berry. Or you can try the other 5 shades that they've released. Kaso, hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan eh. Wala pa sa website ni Bilena, to be honest. So, let's just hope and pray makabili ako para ma-review ko din siya. Okay, so what do I think about it longevity-wise? Tumatagal ba siya? Sa cheeks, oo, tumatagal siya whole day para sa akin. Kahit na oily ako at palaging nasa labas ako, kasi ngayon bakery ko malapit sa highway, tumatagal siya. At napapansin siya ng mga customer ko. Nung nagsimula akong gumamit nung Night Berry as my cheek tint, palagi nila ako kino-compliment na, ay, blooming si ate girl. May boyfriend. Mga ganun. Parang ako, hindi, cheek tint lang yan. Mga ganun ako, thank you, cheek tint lang yan. Kasi, sobrang pigmented niya. All day talaga siya. As for the lip wise, like lip tint, siguro kasi mahilig ako uminom tsaka kumain lagi. Nabubura siya. Like, pinakamatagal niya sa akin is about 6 hours? 5 hours? Tapos, after nun, wala. Wala na talagang tint. So, ako, I would rather use this as a cheek tint kaysa lip tint. I still love using it. Don't get me wrong. Walang problema sa pagiging, lip tint niya. Pero yun nga lang, isang napansin ko dito, kasi ito lang yung ginagamit ko sa lips is that it developed a certain scent. I don't know why. Pero, yung amoy niya, hindi naman siya yung sobrang baho. Yung parang, hindi ko ma-explain. It's not something that can bother me. Pero, alam mo yun, kung may ibang babae kasi na sensitive sa ganung bagay. So, I'm just letting you guys know that in advance. Overall, these two, and actually the other ones, I will try them out next time for sure. These two, I really like these. Lalo na yung Nightberry. Si Red to Go, talagang sa lips ko lang siya. Sobrang babe magnet siya. So, totoo lang. Babe magnet si Red to Go. Price-wise, I do like it. The packaging is really simple. Nothing really special. Consistency is good. Longevity, nana. Ganon. 50-50. Sa cheeks, okay siya. Sa lips, nana. Ganon. Would I recommend this to you guys? Yes. Definitely try it out. Lalo na sa mga first time na magbe-makeup. Go for a lip and cheek tint. Go for a multi-purpose, product. Kasi nga, hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin everyday and it won't cost you an arm and a leg for a lip and cheek tint. Kasi I have one that costed me about 500, 600 pesos. And I don't use it kasi it gave me an allergic reaction. At hindi ko siya ginawa ng video. Huwag nyo natanongin ko ano siya. Basta, I just don't like it. I would recommend this more than that. And these two, I really like it. If you have really fair skin tone and you want your cheek tint to really show up, go for Nightberry, okay? Pero kung gusto niyo yung medyo pa-demure, dalagang Pilipina na glow, go for Red to Go. As I swear, when I use Nightberry, I get noticed so much more. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun kabasag na kulay sa kahit na fair ako. This is for deep tones. Hindi siya nakakabasag ng look. Talagang nakaka-fresh talaga siya. Pero kung gusto niyo yung mga dalagang Pilipina, girl next door, go for Red to Go. Girl, hindi ka magsisisi sa 130 pesos mo. So, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys understand and I hope you guys like this review. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that you will be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay? Alrighty. Of course, di ko makalimutan, nag-promise ako. Hi pala kay JC. Hi JC, thank you so much for watching my videos. Medyo haggard na si ate girl nyo. Medyo haggard na si ate girl mo. Pero thank you so much for watching my videos and also being part of this family. And with that being said, I have to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I almost forgot. Make sure to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you have any requests, go to the comment section, like this video, subscribe for more. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video, okay? Bye!